Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Xubii Tech. I've got some amazing gadgets that will enhance your daily life, making it easier, cleaner, and more comfortable. Imagine shorts that let you charge your devices while you're on the move, or a super portable gadget that sterilizes any surface instantly. Plus, we've got a device that takes hand casting to a whole new level, making it look better than ever before. Introducing the Dettol Flame Air Diffuser. After wrapping up your daily tasks, it's time to unwind and gear up for new adventures, and that's exactly what the creators of this gadget had in mind. This model is the perfect blend of a humidifier and an aroma diffuser, bringing to mind cozy gatherings around a bonfire with its special lighting effects. With a noise level of just around 30 decibels, it won't disturb your sleep if you decide to catch a quick nap. Plus, the smart LED lights add a touch of convenience, while the automatic shoot-off function kicks in when water levels are low. With a capacity of 180 milliliters, just a few drops of your favorite essential oil are all you need. Its compact design makes it ideal for your office desk, so you can spread the relaxation to your coworkers too. And the best part, all these amazing features come at an affordable price of just $33. Treat yourself to the Dettol Flame Air Diffuser and elevate your relaxation game to new heights. Introducing the Horal 2 Knife Sharpener. The creators behind this innovative tool aim to make knife sharpening a breeze for everyone, turning cutting into a true pleasure. Priced at $189, this sharpener is designed to sharpen knives with ease, even for those without prior experience. The knife is securely fixed at a 15 or 20 degree angle on a magnetic support, while the two-sided barrel features a fine diamond coating for sharpening on one side and a stainless steel or ceramic coating for removing irregularities on the other side. Handcrafted in Germany with oak or walnut wood, these sharpeners come in various colors to match any kitchen decor. According to user reviews, this device is a game changer for beginners in knife sharpening, making their lives much easier. However, some find it a bit pricey. What's your take on it? Get ready for endless possibilities with Ravensburger Gravitrax. This kit is bursting with creativity, inviting everyone to build their own marble circuit. It's not just a toy, it's a visual journey through physics, engineering, and mechanics for kids, while offering a relaxing and stress-relieving experience for adults, akin to using a fidget spinner or other stress relief products. The basic kit comes with 122 pieces and instructions for 9 different circuits, ensuring hours of entertainment. Recommended for children aged 8 and above, Gravitrax meets the high-quality standards of the European Union. For even more excitement, you can combine multiple kits to host mini championships, complete with thrilling stunts, jumps, and leaps. It's a guaranteed fun and enjoyable activity for all ages, and the best part, it's affordable, starting from just $42. Get ready to unleash your creativity and embark on a marble-filled adventure with Ravensburger Gravitrax. Discover the Spero Mini Activity Kit, a compact and nimble robot that's controlled through a mobile app. With 28 parts included, you can create various obstacle courses for endless fun. This kit comes with 15 activity cards, offering diverse experiences. Play mini bowling with Spero as the ball, or use it like an RC car. You can even connect it to mobile games designed specifically for Spero. Plus, it supports visual programming, allowing you to give it different commands. Prices range from $80 to $90, depending on the kit contents. Dive into interactive fun with Spero today. Introducing the Directional Steamer. Hold on to your mops, everyone, because the Directional Steamer is here to revolutionize home cleaning. This fantastic cordless steam cleaner is like the superhero of cleaning, faster than a speeding mop and more powerful than a vacuum cleaner. It's designed to blow away dirt, bacteria, and bad odors with ease. Using the power of steam, it sanitizes surfaces in no time, leaving them sparkling clean. The steam acts like a luxurious sauna for germs and dirt, but for them, it's more like an agonizing death trap. The Directional steamer can easily switch from a base station to a handheld steamer, and it comes with a wide range of attachments for different cleaning tasks. Whether you need to clean floors, stovetops, or upholstery, there's a specialized attachment for every job. With its modular design, quick heat-up time, and versatile attachments, the Directional steamer is the life of any cleaning party. Say goodbye to tough stains and hello to a cleaner, fresher home. Introducing Focusound. This innovative and revolutionary sound technology is unlike anything you've ever experienced before. Focusound delivers sound in a highly directed manner, similar to how a spotlight directs a beam of light. Instead of blasting your tunes for everyone to hear, you can keep the sound to yourself. Let's talk about the see-through screen. It's not just a sound source, it's a work of art. With its 360-degree immersive spatial experience, you'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action, whether you're watching a concert or gaming, all without the sweaty crowds and overpriced drinks. Focusound isn't just for music, it's perfect for home entertainment, work, gaming, and more. It's a stylish and elegant home decor piece that seamlessly blends into any environment. It's like having a piece of modern art in your living room that also plays your favorite tunes. So whether you're a music lover, gamer, or remote worker, Focusound is the perfect choice for you. Ecotech brings another handy gadget for hunters. The company specializes in producing systems that replicate animal sounds. The Nomad Plus version provides hunters with a selection of 165 sounds, and if that's not sufficient, you can add thousands more through the SD card. Operating from a distance of up to 274 meters, the Nomad Plus has a cool feature: the ability to play two sounds simultaneously. The Gen 2 GC300 version is equally impressive. The improved handle allows you to hang it from tree branches. The remote control buttons have backlighting for night hunting, and the 15-watt speaker delivers loud and clear sounds that can deceive animals even up close. The Gen 2 GC300 is priced at $100, while the Nomad Plus will cost you $290. British photographer Will Perrard also approves. Stay tuned to discover more exciting innovations from Xubii Tech.